Okay, in our final video on conditional formatting, let's show you another example of the formula option. So in the file stores temp, what we've got here is 5 months of sales for 3 different stores. And let's suppose you want to highlight the best month of sales for each store. So for example, for store 1, you should highlight the 100. For store 2, the 50, and for store 3, the 75. Now, what we want to do is select the range we want to format and have a formula that copies down and across, and whenever it's true, the format will take hold. Now, this is a bit tricky. What should the formula look like? Well, the formula should say whatever cell we're in this case, F5 is the upper left-hand corner, does it equal the maximum of its column? And so that would be the maximum of F5 through, actually, 5, 6, 7, 9 there. Okay. Now, the key is you've got to dollar sign the numbers there, not the letters. Because when that formula copies down, if you don't dollar sign the 5 through 9, that'll change to a 6 through 10. And then you wouldn't be comparing the month of sales in that cell to the set of relevant numbers in that column. So you have to dollar sign the 5 through 9. Now, you don't want to dollar sign the F or 5 here because you want that to change to like F6, G5, all the way through H9. And you want the F over here to change to G and H when you copy it across the column. So if we enter this formula correctly, we should see the largest number in each column highlighted. And if the numbers change, then basically we can see the format move, which will be really cool. So we do home, conditional formatting, new rule. Again, our friend use a formula. Okay, so now what we're going to say is equals F5. Now it's going to show dollar signs, but with the F4 key, you can move the dollar signs. So I hit F4 until the dollar signs disappear. See, I can cycle through the dollar signs till they're gone. And that would equal the maximum of this column. Now, again, what I want to do there is not dollar sign the F. So I can just get rid of that dollar sign, but dollar sign the 5 through 9. That came through. Okay, so I've got maximum of F dollar sign 5 colon F dollar sign 9. And again, that formula, as we've discussed, will copy in the right fashion. And it will be true only if a number is the largest number in its column. So I'll format fill. Yellow shows up pretty well. So let's see what happens with that. We can see the largest number in each column is highlighted in yellow. And if store 2 made a really big sale in January and that was the biggest number, I make that an 80, then that's highlighted in yellow. That concludes our discussion of conditional formatting. And our final module will talk about the Great Excel Trend Curve feature that lets you fit curves to data.